What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to meet the cake dealer. We are going to pick a lane. We are going to a very exclusive pick a lane. Going to a very exclusive restaurant, as I was saying. It's called Centurion. The only way you get access to this restaurant is if you have a special Amex card. My wife has some sort of fancy Amex card, maybe the Platinum, and that allows you to get access to the reservation system for this restaurant. Otherwise, you have to spend like $500,000 on your Amex, like Black, high spend credit cards, you know, like 10K to sign up, you know, 15K to do this, you know, all that kind of stuff. So this card gets us access to the reservation system, and my wife has alerts set up on Resi to let her know when there's an opening, and they called her and said there's an opening, and so she's like, let's do it. So I'm on my way to meet her. It should be really nice. They have like these crazy views of the Chrysler Building, of the Empire State Building, of downtown, both rivers. Pretty cool. So this place is 1 Vanderbilt Avenue, which is you know, up by Grand Central, just straight ahead. So I'm gonna try to get a spot up there. You might have noticed this, my new speaker to listen to music while I ride. I'm gonna test that out later on, see how it goes. I've noticed that people don't really hear me coming up on this BMX bike, so I want to make a little noise so that people are aware of my presence. They don't cut me off. Sounds good in the house. We'll see how it sounds out in the air. This place requires a dress code. That's why you see I got a suit jacket on. Riding a BMX in a suit. Pretty funny. And I know it's located on the Madison Avenue side of this building, 1 Vanderbilt. So I have to, I guess I'll have to take a left on 42nd Street and then a quick right. I'm almost there. I'm just passing 35th now. I haven't done the vertical orientation in a while on the GoPro. Vertical is always better for Instagram because it takes up more real estate on the app. Not so much for YouTube, because people watch YouTube generally widescreen in landscape mode, not portrait mode. So I figured I'd give this a try. It's been a while. Maybe I'll post up a short version of this video to Instagram where you see the ride and the food, everything together. A little bumpy here. Let's see, what do we got? 41st. Oh, they got the street closed. Figures. I gotta go on the sidewalk. Always something. I don't want to freak people out and go too fast over here. This should put us right there. All right, you know what? I'm gonna find a spot, and I guess, ooh, nice view, huh? I guess I'll see you guys on the inside.
merci.
Thank you. That looks beautiful.
Has it been hectic since you guys opened?
We've had our days, but I wouldn't say hectic. One drop is mild to spicy. How do you guys like it?
Spicy.
Spicy? So you want to do 3?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, this is so pretty. First we have some salt, pepper, chives, and parsley. Next we have some diced capers, cornichons, mustard mayonnaise, and ketchup.
I love it.
And lastly we have some mayonnaise in a quail egg.
Ooh.
That's the good stuff.
How's your evening going so far?
Very well.
Good. First time here today, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can eat the broken fries.
Everything's portioned perfectly. Super thin tomato, 1 leaf of lettuce, pickles are cut thin, nice little crispy bacon on there. Love it.
I like how they made this look like a Brussels sprout.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's pretty similar. Ready?
Show me the inside. Yeah.
That's what she said.
So good.
This is not what I thought it would be. Yours is pretty.
All right. What a meal. That was something. Let me see if I can get back to where I need to be. A lot of foot traffic in this part of town, but anyway, that meal was excellent. We started off with some cocktails. They have a squid ink martini. On the menu it comes with vodka, but I had them switch it out for gin. It was excellent. That black martini. The other cocktails we had were also great. But then we started with 2 tartars. We did the tuna tartar, and then we did the Wagyu beef tartar. Both were great. They did the Wagyu beef tableside, which was cool. Real fresh taste on the tuna. Excellent. Then in the middle we split a burger, and that burger is also Wagyu. It was delicious, absolutely delicious. The perfect burger. The tomato was sliced nice and thin. The bacon was thin and crisp. There was like one leaf of lettuce. You don't need too much lettuce. I don't want to eat a salad, you know? So I really, really liked that burger. Excellent. Fries were good too. Then for our main courses, we did the lamb loin and the New York strip steak. Both of those were excellent. I think the lamb was probably a little bit better. Both of us kind of were gravitating toward that more. That one also came with like a harissa yogurt sauce, which I liked, but it paired better with the spinach wrapped lamb sausage meatball thing that came with it. Otherwise, the lamb was good just on its own, like roasted with whatever spices and herbs they used. The strip was from Snake River Farms, which is a nice purveyor from the West that is known for having very good domestic Wagyu products. I don't know if that one was a Wagyu, but it tasted great. It had nice marbling, really good cook on it. The plating was beautiful too. It almost looked like a yin yang with the sauce and the, what's this guy doing? Yin yang with the sauce and the potato puree. Little green beans in there too. And then for dessert, we did this Lebanese flan dish called muhalabi, I think. I think that's how you pronounce it. Muhalabi, maybe? I don't know. That was beautiful and delicious. And then we also had a vanilla eclair, which I like. That also came with dulce de leche on it. Nice and sweet. Just a great meal all around. Make sure you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Check out the full review, all the pictures, the whole write-up. If you ever have the opportunity to go here, it's not an easy place to get a table. You gotta, you know, be part of the special crew. My wife is a baller, so she's part of that club. But if you ever have the opportunity to go, if you don't have your own card, like an Amex Platinum or Amex Black, if you're fucking loaded, and your friend goes and asks you to come with, do it. Make sure you go. It's an experience. The views are unbelievable. The lounge is a cool place to sit and have a drink. You just have unmatched views of the city. What's wrong with people today? So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, and tell your fucking grandma.